If you are trying to find someone on WhatsApp using their username and it's not working, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. Your WhatsApp username search not working because WhatsApp username search focus heavily on privacy. Searching for them does not work like in Instagram, Facebook or Telegram. WhatsApp does not have a public search directory for username. If you type a part of username, nothing will show up. You must type the full exact unique username into the search bar, then result will showing up. If you type correct username and facing this problem, that means this problem is happening due to WhatsApp app glitch or server down issue. Then you can fix this problem by following some steps. First of all, go to Play Store or App Store and then click on search bar, search for WhatsApp, search WhatsApp. From here, update your WhatsApp in latest version. If you cannot see update option here, then click on WhatsApp icon and then click on three dot icon from the top of right. Now keep enable WhatsApp app auto update and then go back to home screen. Now long tap on WhatsApp and then open WhatsApp app info. Click on I button or app info. Now go to WhatsApp storage option. Click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your device. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.